Hi everyone, welcome to TND Learning, a professional platform for SAP SD training. Today's topic for SAP SD training is division. In SAP, what is the division? So, the T code of division creation is OVXB, which is direct T code, and another option is that you can go through SPRO. So, today we are going to learn defining the division and what is the division, right? Menu path is there. You have to open the T code SPRO. Then in implementation management guide, which is IMG, you have to click on the enterprise structure. Then you have to click on the definition, then logistic journal. Then there is the option to execute the define, copy, delete, check division. If you don't want to go through the menu path, you want direct T code, then OVXB is the direct T code. Once you create the division, it gets saved in the table TSPA table. So what is division actually? So division is the grouping of the materials. Which materials? The materials which is having the same characteristics. Okay, that is called the division. So division is actually product line of any company. So what is mean by the grouping of the material of same characteristics? So to understand it, let us take an example of any company which is automobile company. Means it is selling its product, and its products are, for example, car. Okay, so in an automobile company there can be multiple cars, right? Okay, so all the cars comes under one division. Maybe brands are different. So for example, if we take example of the MG motor, then it is having the brand Hector, right? And it's different variant also. Then it is having Gloucester, again it has many variant. Then it is having the EV cars, then again it is having many variants. Okay, recently launched electric vehicle is Comet, the compact small car, right? So that has also variants. So each brands comes under which characteristics? That all are the cars, whether it is Hector or it is Gloucester or it is EV or it is Comet, all are the cars. So this can be one division. Another example of division in the same automobile company, if you are purchasing car, definitely you will purchase some accessories with the car, right? If anything is damaged, then you will purchase the parts of the car also. So one division is car, second is the accessories, and in accessories, for example, seat cover, for example, stereo system, for example, mud flap. These products comes under accessories, right? Then another division can be parts. For example, after using sometimes any parts got damaged or it requires change, then at that time you will purchase the parts also. So that is another division. Now company gives the services for the car, so those services another division of the automobile company. So in automobile companies mainly you got car as a division, accessories as a division, parts as a division, services as a division. Under each division there are multiple products. I hope you have understood that what is division in automobile industries. Now let us take another example. If you are implementing for any pharma company, okay, then pharma company products are the medicines, right? So it can be having the medicines of general medicine, like over the counters which are getting sold. Then it can be especially for hearts, so for example cardiac medicine. Then for respiratory systems there can be multiple medicines which is being used to cure respiratory system. There can be medicines to treat the ortho, there can be medicines to treat the this is related to women's, means gynae products. So this is the division. I hope you have understood that what is division in SAP. So once you will create the division in SAP system, OVXB is the T code which you have to enter in this T code box. Then you have to click on enter. Once you will enter, then change view of division will open. Okay, and you can use this spec and pencil icon for getting this screen either in change or display mode. There, after clicking this T code, you have to click on the new entry if you want to create a new division. Once you will click on new entry, this blank screen will open where you can enter the code of your division and name of your division. Then finally you have to click on this save icon, then your division will be saved. This is the simple step. First step, you will enter the T code. Second, you will click on the new entries. Third, you will give the division code, and fourth is the you will give description. Fifth, you will click on the save. So it will be saved in one TR, right? Transport request. Once you will save, as I had already told, that anything you save in the SAP, it gets saved into one table data structure. It gets saved in the table, right? So if you want to see that your saved data has come in the table or not, you have to click on the AC16 and T code, right? There you will get this blank screen where you have to enter the table. For example, I have entered there TSPA, which is for sales division. Then you will get all the list after executing it, right? Execution from here, right? Once you will click, this division will open and it will show all your created divisions. And in the table there is the option of the maximum number of hits. You can see here it is 500. So in one time 500 entries is being shown. If you want all the division which has been created, for example 1000 division you have created in this system, you want to see all, then you just have to delete this 500. It will be the blank only. Then in that case what will happen, all your division will come in this screen. If you want to make it blank, you then after putting it blank, you have to click on this refresh button. Then instead of 500 entries, all entries will come. Or there is another option that while you are executing this table, after entering the C16 and T code and after entering this table, here there are the entries of 500, maximum number of hits. You have to remove 500 from here, then simply execute it. Then instead of 500 output, all 1000 entries output will come, or whatever number of entries of this division are in the system. Okay, so let us see division creation in SAP screen. Let us see how we can create the division through menu path. I have entered the SPROT code here. Then I have to click on this SAP reference IMG. Once I clicked, I have to click on the enterprise structure. Then I will click on definition. Under definition there is the logistic general option where I will click the define copy delete check division. This activity box will come. I will click on the define division where I will create the division by clicking on new entry. For example, T at the rate. Okay, you can give alphanumeric or character also. That's why first character I have taken alphabetic T and then character at the rate. Now I can give the name. For example, division 1. Let us give name division 1. I will click on enter. Entry has been chosen. There is no duplicacy or already this entry is not found. So only one entry chosen. Now I will click simply on save. See, it is asking for the TR. In old TR if I want to save, then I can save in the old one, or I can click on this create new. Once I will click on create new, then I will give the short description and click on save. Then automatically, like this TR number, one more TR number means next TR number which has to come as per sequence. For example, in this case NSPK 905475 will come. Okay, so I want to save in my old one, so I will not click on create request. I will just click on OK. Then my division T at the rate got saved. Data was saved, message is coming, right? Same I can see in the table. So to see in this table, T code is the AC16N, right? Because I'm already at a screen, so firstly I will write /n. So what will be happening with /n? Firstly, this /n will take me to the home screen of SAP. Then after taking home screen, this AC16N, which is actual T code for table opening, that will work. Okay, so I'm entering /n AC16N, right? So table has opened. Now to open the division, table is the TSPA. What has happened? Why this list is coming? Because if you come to this field and if you press on space from your keyboard, all the latest entry which you have entered will come. Okay, so recently I had entered TSPA, so it is coming. Now TSPA I will enter and will see that this is the sales division table or not. So this is the sales division table. So I will remove this all 500 restriction. After removing, if I'll execute, then all entry will come. And before execution, if I want to see that how many entries are there, then I will click on this number of entries. Then it is showing that 561 division has been created. So let me execute it. See, all 561 number of hits system has found, right? This number of hits. So let us see our entries are there or not. I have created the T at the rate, so it is in sequence. So let me press page down from keyboard. I have come to the sequence T, right? This T at the rate TND division 1 has been created and it is in the table. So I hope you have understood what is the division and you have understood how to create the division in SAP GUI. So thanks for your valuable time. If you have understood this concept, please like it, share with your friends and needful who wants to learn SAP SD. And still if you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel TND Learning. So we'll see in other video of SAP SD training. Thank you very much.